In this video, I will show you two quick methods to write above arrow in word like this. If you are writing a chemical reaction and you want to specify conditions above the arrow, then there are two methods. Let's see each method one by one. In the first method, go to the insert option, and under the insert option at the right side, you will see here option equation. Click on the equation and a box will be inserted. Now inside this box, press backslash on your keyboard, which is present on the upper side of the enter key. Then type right arrow, then again type backslash. Now type above, and in bracket specify the conditions. For example, I am giving the condition 500 degree centigrade. Close the bracket and press spacebar on your keyboard to write above arrow in word. Now the second method is easy. To write above arrow, go to the insert option again, click on the equation. This time click on this small triangle and you will see here insert new equation. Click on it. Now under the operator, you will see here option rightwards arrow below. Click on it, and now you will see this arrow with the box. You can simply type inside the box, and that's how you write above arrow in word. If this video solved your problem, please comment below and let me know, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest updates whenever I publish a new useful video like this. See you again in the next video.